And welcome to another video review. Today is Thursday, January 8, 2026. Let's take a look at what do we have on the economic calendar for today. Asian session was almost no event. We had only trade balance data from Australia, which is shrinking from 4.35 billion Australian dollar to 2.93 billion Australian dollar. We are waiting for the Halifax house price index from the UK, and then German factory orders from the, of course, Germany. Both of these events are scheduled for release at 8 o'clock. Then we have CPI data across the Eurozone, and Swiss National Bank monetary policy assessment is scheduled for release at 9:30. ECB, the windows will give a speech at 9:30, and then at 11 o'clock we got unemployment rate in Eurozone scheduled for release. During the New York session, US session, we got non-farm productivity, trade balance, unit labor cost, and initial jobless claims, together with the imports and exports, and all of this data are scheduled for release at 2:30, together with the trade balance data from Canada. Atlanta Fed GDP now is scheduled for release at 6 o'clock, and at 10:30 we got Fed's balance sheet. So you can see we got this situation when the US session is way more busier than the London session. So without any further ado, let's switch to the charts. We start with euro dollar. So the euro dollar continues to move lower. After we broke below the black trend line, we broke below the 100 periods moving average. We are very close to the lows of the week, located at 1.1660. Any breakout lower will basically put the 1.1655 technical support up for a test. There is another technical support at 1.1618. Momentum is negative. It was rejected from the level of 50, so bears are in control of the market as the market keeps moving lower. So euro dollar bearish outlook. British pound continues to move lower as well. We are out of the channel yet again. Full reversal towards the 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart. Any breakout below this 4-hour moving average, which is 1.3450, would likely push the price towards this lows here at 1.3402. So then there is 1.3382 and 1.3369 technical support. Momentum is already very weak, so that means the bears are in charge of this market. US dollar versus the Japanese yen actually doesn't do much. Yet again, we bounced from the 100 periods moving average, but the bounce was very shallow as the market keeps moving keeps moving around the level of 156.74. So originally there is nothing new on this chart, including the momentum. Not much is going on here. The gold market keeps moving towards 100 periods moving average. Right now it's located at 4,396, just below the 4,405 technical support, short-term technical support. As you can see, the momentum is testing the level of 50 right now at the level of 48 points. So after a short period of the upside movement, the market is ready to do the pullback. Pullback looks like in a 3 waves already, so this might be the last wave to the downside in gold, and then movement to the upside is expected. In that scenario, the first target is 4,500 local technical resistance, and then 4,549. S&P 500, yep, new high made yesterday, 6,962, and then very quick movement to the downside with a very big and sudden drop in the momentum. We've made a local high, so let me just move this local high and the swing high, obviously. So right now 6,962 is the technical resistance. This level here is technical resistance as well, 6,917. Where are we heading? We are heading towards the 100 periods moving average, 6,865. So when we hit this this level, then obviously there's a possibility of a bounce higher. Nevertheless, it still looks quite bullish in a short term. Very nice movement to the upside, pullback, and another movement to the upside is being expected as long as we trade above this level, 6,818. So that's the S&P 500. And let's take a look at the Bitcoin. The Bitcoin very nicely tested yet again the level of 95,000. The local high and the swing high was made at 94,789, and then reversed almost all of the gains. Already we broke from the extremely overbought conditions. We are down below the level of 50, moving way lower. Now we only barely swim at the level of 90,000. So all of this situation here, that was the technical support, right now was violated. First was tested, shallow bounce, now it's being violated. We are heading towards 89,281. This is the technical support in form of the 100 periods moving average on a 4-hour time frame chart. So yet again on a daily time frame chart, you can see that this level here, 95,000, is definitely too strong for the bulls. There is no more for now, there is no more thinking about testing the 100 periods moving average. We are moving way lower. Almost all of this momentum was erased, and when we break below the 90,000 for good, we are back inside the consolidation, the Christmas consolidation. So yet again 95,000 was too strong. Market was clearly rejected from this level. If we go back to the Christmas range and then move lower, then in that situation the bears will be in charge of this market, and the lower levels will be penetrated, will be tested, which means that this situation here is a consolidation that has a very and the bulls have a very big problem with the upside. So that means if they tried so many times, the upside didn't work, bears will take the charge of the market and they will push it lower. I guess that even the 80,500 might be the next level of interest for the bears. You can take a look here at the 4-hour time frame chart. We got a new low here, local low, and the market is being pushed lower relentlessly. So this movement to the upside was completely useless, didn't do anything. Very big sell-off, very big rejection of the $95,000 level tested last year, tested this year. Nothing to do here for the bulls. They are completely without any clues these days. So please keep an eye on the levels. Yes, there you go, new levels, new lows are getting produced these days very quickly. There you go, there is a full breakout, and then obviously we will go towards the 100 periods moving average. Okay, so that's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.